Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. I would love it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today we're doing a huge unboxing. It came in this really pretty pink box, you guys. And I have been getting so many comments since I started my YouTube channel about Simply Southern. Everyone tells me to check them out. Like, do I own any? And I'm so excited because Simply Southern sent me this ginormous pink box full of pretty things inside. That's what the top of the box says. It's so cute. I'm so excited. This is going to be such a fun unboxing, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will have everything listed down below along with Simply Southern and all of their social media pages so you can follow them and check them out because they seriously have the cutest stuff. And oh my gosh, you guys, their box is just so pretty. It's like this really fun pink print, and then it says pretty things inside, and then there's a big turtle on the side, and oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna put the box on the ground and we're gonna open this up. It's gonna be a really fun haul, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so before I get started, I do want to say I did get everything in a size small, so if you have questions about that, I just got size small and everything, and they're so cute, you guys. So the first shirt is this really pretty pink color, and the back of it is so cute. It says I'm Fantastic, and it's their Preppy Panda tee. And how adorable is this? I think panda bears are just so cute. Has their little logo on the front right here, and I absolutely adore this detail. So on the sleeve, it has like a little sewn on Simply Southern logo, which is so cute. This color is so pretty. That's the first t-shirt. They sent me a whole stack of them, you guys. I'm shook. Okay, so the next thing they sent me is super colorful, you guys, and I honestly don't own anything like this, but it's so cute. It is this rainbow tie-dyed Save the Turtle shirt. It has their little logo right there with the turtles, and when you buy their Save the Turtle t-shirts, they donate 10% to the Turtle Foundation. It's so cute. It has a little pink turtle on it. I'm just completely obsessed. This is so colorful, and their little tags are so cute, and honestly, I think that might be a sticker. It is a sticker. That's cute. I love this. This is so fun. Oh my goodness. So the next thing is like a little clutch or like a pencil case, and it says believe in your own magic, and I love this pretty like marbly design, like colors with the gold metallic, and there's like a little unicorn, and then the zipper pull has a fun gold tassel. This is so cute, you guys, and that's just what the inside looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely going to use this as like a pencil pen holder in my bag. I feel like this is so fun, and I just love the colors of it. Okay, and the next shirt is this really pretty navy. It has their little logo on it. Again, it just has their little detailing on the sleeve, which I love. And the back of it says, don't worry, be happy. And it's got tons of little turtles on it. I seriously am just obsessed with turtles. And then the very bottom of it, it says Simply Southern, which I love their logo. The colors of this, pink and green, just look smashing. I love this. The next shirt is another tie-dye one, and I feel like this is going to be so much fun for like Memorial Day or 4th of July. And it is this red, white, and blue tie-dye, and it just has their little logo on the top, Simply Southern. It's got the little sleeve detail, and on the back of it, it says live simply free. And I love the pop of pink on here. This is so cute, and they got little pineapples, and then it just says Simply Southern on the bottom. This is so adorable. Oh my gosh, so outside of my comfort zone too with the tie-dye, so I can't wait to try and style this. The next shirt they sent me is super soft. This is like a gray t-shirt. It kind of feels like a little bit of a different material, and it just has a country chic collection. That's what it says, and it has like a little piggy on it, which is so fun. I know a lot of my friends' favorite animal is a pig, so this is really fun. This is part of their country chic collection on their tag, which that is cool that they have multiple collections. I am so new to this. I'm so excited. And then they also sent me one of these key rings, which I have been seeing all over Instagram. The design on this one is just perfect. It's got little pink in it and another really fun, pretty silver, gold, platinum tassel. And I know you put these on your keys, and then like you can like hold it like this. You can put it in your bag, and it's just like a nice big keychain. And I am the queen at losing my keys, so this will be so helpful because I seriously lose them all the time, and I have to have really obnoxious keychains so I don't lose them. And then they also sent a lanyard, and this one is so pretty, you guys. It's got little mermaids all over it, and I just think this is going to be so fun for summer. And then the inside it says give me the vitamin C. Oh my gosh, I just love the gold. And then it just has little gold hardware to connect your keys to it, so that is super cute. And the next thing I want to share with you guys is the Simply Southern hat. So it says life is simply sweet. This is going to be perfect for the beach because it's like one of those like knitted hats. It has their little logo on the back and then it just has their sticker, and this is seriously so soft. I love the navy and pink together. It's so preppy, and then they added little pineapples in the background. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then I did save the 2 pink t-shirts to share with you guys for last because I am obsessed with pink. So this one is so cute. It's just like a really soft baby pink. It's got their little turtle logo on the front, and it says this is how we roll, and it's got a like palm tree trailer thing. It's so cute. I could definitely see this at the beach. And then it just says Simply Southern on the bottom, and I just love how all of their labels on their shirts are stickers, so you just peel them off and you have a sticker. That is such a cute way to market like stickers and then have your tags. Like it's a 2-in-1. I love that. The last shirt that I got sent is another pink shirt, and I love this one. So it's got a little gold logo on the front, and it says don't make me smack you with my sandal. A bit sassy, but I like it. And it just has this really pretty font, and then it has like a little Birkenstock, I think that's what those are called, and then it just says Simply Southern. Super cute. Absolutely love this color, and I feel like it's gonna match perfectly with the leggings they sent me. So these are their one size fits all leggings, and I just think these are so beautiful. They honestly remind me a lot of like the Lily Pulitzer leggings, so I'm excited to see how they fit. And they have some really cute cutouts on the bottom of the leg, which I think are so fun to style. And it came with another little sticker label, and it's just like this hot pink gingham. I love wearing colorful printed leggings with preppy t-shirts. I feel like it just adds a little pop to any t-shirt. And the last thing they sent me is a Simply Southern like crossover bag, which these are perfect for summer, and I love the size of this one. It's so big, and it just has their logo right there, this really fun Simply Southern print, which I think matches the leggings. And then it just has 2 little pockets, one right there and then one on the top, and this is going to be perfect just for like out and about during the summertime. I feel it. And the strap is so cute because it's gold and then pink on the back, and oh my gosh, it's just so adorable. So that is everything that I got from Simply Southern. I am so beyond grateful. Thank you so much for sending me all of these amazing products. I can't wait to share and style them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out Simply Southern. I will have them listed down below along with their Instagram handle on the screen because you guys definitely need to check them out. They have some really cute stuff, and you guys will definitely be seeing this on my Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster. And I like to share my outfit of the days and fun preppy finds as well, so definitely check it out. I will have all my links to my social medias down below. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for checking it out. I would love it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!